Ramiro Felix Gonzales was born on November 5, 1982, in Texas. His childhood was far from easy. His mother, just 17 at his birth, struggled with addiction and alcoholism. While pregnant with him, she allegedly attempted overdose to induce miscarriage. Gonzales was raised by his grandparents. School did not come easily. Records describe him as developmentally delayed, though medically certified as brain normal. He suffered abuse in various forms as a child. The crime. On January 15, 2001, Ramiro, then 18, set out to get drugs from his supplier, who was also the boyfriend of a young woman named Bridget Townsend. When he found out the boyfriend wasn't home, he broke into the house seeking cocaine. He ransacked the home looking for drugs. When he couldn't find them, he stole whatever money he could. Bridget Townsend, 18, was there that night. Upon encountering her, he overpowered her. He tied her up, put her in his truck, and drove away to his family's ranch in Medina County, Texas. At the ranch, what followed was terrible. He raped her, then shot her fatally with a rifle. After the shooting, her body was left in a field in southwest Texas. Bridget was missing for more than a year. Her remains were discovered in October 2002, thanks to information Ramiro provided to law enforcement while serving a sentence for an unrelated crime, kidnapping and rape of another woman. At first he had tried to shift blame or minimize his involvement, but eventually he fully confessed to the kidnapping, rape, and murder. Trial, sentencing, and appeals. Ramiro Gonzales was convicted of capital murder in 2006. The jury found that during the course of committing kidnapping, rape, or robbery, he had intentionally caused Bridget Townsend's death. Because of Texas law, in a death penalty case, the jury also must determine whether the defendant is likely to commit acts of violence in the future dangerousness. Prosecution witnesses, including a psychiatrist, testified that Gonzales was a future danger. Over the years, Gonzales's legal team raised many arguments in his defense, emphasizing his troubled background, alleged mental and developmental delays, abuse in childhood, remorse, faith transformation, and efforts at rehabilitation. Additionally, a key expert's testimony that Gonzales would be dangerous in the future was later recanted. The expert stated that the recidivism data used originally was flawed. His attorneys argued that this undermines one of the essential predicates for a death sentence under Texas law. Other appeals pointed to Gonzales's behavior while incarcerated, his commitment to Christian faith, his ministry to other inmates, and even a request to donate a kidney, as evidence of his change and worthiness for clemency. However, these efforts did not succeed. The final hours. On June 26, 2024, which would have been Bridget Townsend's 42nd birthday, Gonzales was executed by lethal injection in Huntsville, Texas. He was 41 years old. His final statement was a profuse apology to Townsend's family. He spoke of the pain he caused, of his remorse, of the things he could never give back. He expressed that he had never stopped praying for their forgiveness. He also thanked prison staff, his loved ones, and those who supported him in custody. This story is one of tragedy on many levels, for the victim, for her family, and even for Gonzales himself, whose life was marked by hardship, abuse, and ultimately a grave crime. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, comment, and share.